What up, girls? Hope you're well. Hope you're having a good day so far. But I just wanted to briefly jump on and start this little video. Not even sure if I'm going to put it online or not, but I thought I would film it anyway, and we'll see how it goes. Let me just set this up. Stay. Because I wanted to talk through some gear that I have for a shoot that's coming up tomorrow. And I've still got crazy lockdown here. It's very, very annoying. But some of the processes that I actually go through when it comes to setting up for a big or a bigger shoot, like the one I've got coming up tomorrow. So, first thing I do is make sure I have batteries. You never have too many of these. Make sure that each of the cameras I'm going to be shooting on has a memory card in it, which just reminds me I need to put a memory card in my third camera because I don't have a memory card in that camera, but I do have a spare one in my wallet. So that's the one we're going to be using for this shoot, for this camera at least. So personally, the memory cards that I use are very, very basic, very, very easy to see and understand SanDisks. So we're going to just chuck this one in this camera as well. So that's good to go. So tomorrow I'll do some behind the scenes stuff of what we're going to be doing. It's going to be a cooking show kind of setup. I'm going to try and do a behind the scenes video for this video as well. This video is not actually going to be for my channel. It's going to be for a new cooking channel I'm helping run and helping produce content for. So we have one of the main lenses I'm going to be taking is obviously the one that you're seeing here on the camera. Also, I'm going to be using this camera and also then this lens as well. So this is a Nikon 5600 with a 70 to 300 mil lens. We also have a 35 mil f1.8 prime lens. We're on the Nikon D5300. What I'm recording at the moment is the GH5 with a 10 to 20, I believe. I can't remember. Adapter or adapted to lens from the Nikon mount as well. So this is my wide angle lens. Also, I will be taking my sharpest lens and my favorite lens, the Sigma 18 to 35 f1.8 lens as well. This is the lens I would recommend any filmmaker uses. We'll also be taking some basic things like the Rode shotgun mic that you're hearing me on right now, as well the Rode Link microphone as well, and obviously then the receiver. This is the receiver, and then we have obviously over here we have the microphone as well, and then also if I just reach over here for the panel light with a Sony APS-C battery pack on it as well. And yeah, and then some other bits and bobs and lots of bits and things and a couple of other bits and bobs. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap up this part of the oh yeah, of course, tripods. Tripods, I'll briefly go over those very, very quickly. I'm going to be taking 3 tripods. I'll just go grab them. Because as this is going to be a multi-cam shoot, we'll also be using two of Jenny's cameras as well. So we've got a very, very basic, really crappy tripod, which is very, very cheap. It's a newer one I got ages ago. Then we have my Manfrotto, my big one with my video head that will be probably on the main camera that I'll be manning. Probably the one with the telephoto lens on, unless we are going to lock it off, which I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do yet. And then I have another in a bag just behind me, another professional tripod that I'll be taking as well. So yeah, that's most of the gear that I'll be taking for tomorrow's shoot. This hopefully will now cut into tomorrow's behind the scenes footage, and I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna catch up with you guys, but yeah, we will be masked up and everything then as well, doing what we can and doing everything we can to be social distance, considering everything going on in the world at the moment as well. I hope you're keeping well, and I'll see you in a moment for you, but tomorrow for me. And yeah, I just wanted to jump on and sort of briefly talk about some of the gear I'm prepping and why and what I'm taking and etc. in that respect as well. So I'll see you very, very soon, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. morning, ladies and gents, hope you're well. So, shoot day has come, running a touch late, but I've got way too much stuff on me. So yeah, I'll see you at some point, I'm sure. Way too much stuff.
There we go, everything that, all that area there. I thought was got a big space.
Oh, here we are, time to set up.
I shall do that in a minute.
Indeed. Let's see.
Okay, good to go.
Good to go.
Good to go on all three.
No, that's gonna be fun.
So in most cases you're going to be talking to this one, because this will probably be the main shot you use.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hey everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. This is going to be my first video, so bear with me. You know, so it's gonna be completely different. So and today I'm going to make and welcome to my first video ever. You know, I've just started, so bear with me. So today I'm going to make an easy chocolate brownie, but with my own take of it. So let's start. Go back. Oh dear me. Start again. So, and this is going to be for your waistline, so be careful. This is 360 grams of custard sugar.
Always exciting when cameras do weird things to me.
So this one is still running, yeah?
This one's still running, but we don't have a timing or anything. Well, I try and don't care about that.
So butter goes here.
A few moments later.
Now, how do I put this on? Oh, what's the? Where? This one. Oh, there you go. Thank you. That is just, oh, scrumptious. And voila, it should be done pretty soon. Absolutely delicious. No, I should cool it down first, but we just have to go for it. Nice and warm and hot. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oops. What is it called? The froth is in the pudding?
Yep.
See how it going. I should have put this in a open plate. But I tell you though, it's a little hot. That's my devilishly wicked chocolate brownie.
It's good to have a good hot water, isn't it?
Hey?
Hot water and dryer.
Uh,
Don't bash the table. It's just that we can't get
that's
one.
perfect.
No, it's not. You've got a few in there.
No, that's fine.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes?
That is completely fine.
Pinch your other script.
Why?
Is that the one you just got? Because you don't like picking things up, do you?
I'm just.
Thing about meat, I think you're touching it.
Yeah?
Things about touching.
Yeah, I'm not very good at it.
Okay, good to go.
Okay. And that's basically it. That's my easy to make supposedly traditional Filipino pork and chicken adobo. Huh.
A few moments later.
Until next time, enjoy cooking, have fun with it, and bye for now.